Hello everyone, we're here today on the Disney Wish to do a full room tour of a Category 5B accessible Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Verandah. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a good amount of space for everyone to spread out.
And of course, you'll see there's lots of accessibility features in the room, both for mobility and for hearing accessibility, and I'll try and point those out along the way.
Let's go check it out.
So you touch your card to the reader and it just opens right up for you. You can also open that using the little button over here on this half of the room, and then it automatically closes behind you. Now this room of course has lots of extra space because it is wheelchair accessible, lots of room to roll in and move around here in the room. Over on the left when we first come in, we have our desk and storage area. You can see we've got some of our gifts here because this is the maiden voyage. They've got a few special gifts for everyone in the rooms. Our drawers down here have some storage space, and also this one is actually our mini fridge. So we've got a little drawer style mini fridge instead of the old school ones that are the doors. Our hair dryer is inside this drawer right here. And you do have that little stool there, but you can roll up underneath the desk if you need to, just pull that out. We've got the mirror here on the wall as well as some wall outlets. You've got 2 regular wall outlets, 4 USBs, a USB-C, and that 220 for your hair dryer there. Now you'll notice around the room we have some different decorations. These are because we have an in-room celebration here, a brand new one that they're offering. You can purchase ahead of time on the Disney Cruise website for the Disney Wish. The bed is raised up off the ground a little bit, but it is lower than the regular beds in the other staterooms here. A queen size bed, and you can see we've got a beautiful bed runner, but they've covered it with that giant beach towel that comes with that in-room celebration. Over on the side of the bed, you have a lamp that has a small little Mickey head on the shade there, a reading lamp right below it, and then an emergency call button that you can activate if you want. You can have guest services turn that on for you. You have a 220 outlet here as well as 2 USB outlets, but there are no regular wall outlets on this half of the bed. Wanted to make sure I point that out. The mural back here, you can see from Princess and the Frog. You can kind of see Naveen and Tiana right there in the middle behind the set sail banner there. Over on the other side of the bed, we have an identical little table, but this one has 2 actual wall outlets and 2 USB outlets, as well as a USB-C. So you have a little bit more options on this side as far as plugging things in. Beside the bed, we have a fold-down couch, which is a twin-size bed, as well as the pull-down upper berth, another twin-size bed, bringing your total to 4 here in this room. You have a beautiful picture of Tiana up here on the wall, and across from the couch is where you'll find your TV here in this room. We also have a veranda that we'll explore in just a minute. We have our closet space over here, and you've got quite a bit of closet space in this particular room. You can see the closet rod has that handle that you can use to pull it down lower if you need to, and then it just kind of automatically raises back up. And then we have some storage shelves over here as well as our in-room safe. The second half of the closet over here, we just have additional storage space, another closet rod here, but this one does not pull down. And then we have some robes from Disney Cruise Line and just additional space down there for storing your bags and things. We have the bathroom here that has a full-length mirror on the back of the door. And of course, when you open that up, it's nice and wide, and it is not loaded, so it will stay open, so you don't have to worry about it closing on you as you're rolling through there. A flat threshold going across, just a slight little incline, but nothing too crazy coming in here. A roll-in shower in this bathroom, of course. You have the grab bars all the way around. You have a seat over there in the corner, and then the adjustable detachable shower head. And if it is too high for you to reach, your stateroom host would be happy to bring that down to whatever level you'd like when you first get on the ship here. And we have the H2O products down there on that little shelf. There's also an emergency call button, or cord I should say, there on the ceiling they can pull down if you'd like and have it hanging there in the shower for you. You have the toilet over here in the corner, and again, grab bars all the way around. Another one of those emergency pull cords if you need it up there. And then our vanity, of course you have to have space to roll underneath that, so they've modified the design compared to the other bathrooms. You have the single vanity up there and lots of counter space, a little bit of storage over on the side there. A couple little shelves with some lotion and some hand soap. We have one outlet over here to the right of the sink and that beautiful lighted mirror there. And let's head out and check out the veranda here, which is absolutely amazing, especially for the category here. and the door does swing. It does not slide, so you can see we swing it open there. It does automatically close, so you have to hold that open a little bit. There is a ramp here for the threshold, but it's a pretty small incline, just a little bump to get over to come out here onto the veranda. No plexiglass on the railing because you've got this kind of angled railing, but you have an absolutely huge veranda out here. You've got a couple chairs and a table, and this veranda just keeps going around all the way to over here. So lots of space, not so much if you have a wheelchair as far as getting to this half, but as far as a large veranda, this is one of the best. It's over here on the corner, absolutely huge, especially when you consider it's not considered an extended veranda category, it's just a standard veranda. And that's going to conclude our tour of this accessible Category 5B Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with veranda here on the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe.
And check out all the other videos on the channel. We have a ton of room tours across all the Disney Cruise Line ships, and a lot of them here on the Disney Wish, as well as other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.